everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we are going to solve one-step equations with using multiplying and dividing, but this time we're doing it with decimals. If you're unsure of decimals, please go back and check out our decimal operations video where I go through all this in big detail, okay? So we've got a number times x, and we need to get the x by itself. So there's times right there if you want to put a little dot. To undo times, we know we divide. If we do it to one side, we've got to do it to the other. So this is going to give me x equals, and I know it's a negative number. Here's where you're going to want to show your work on some scrap paper or wherever you've got some room. So I'm going to do it right here. So I'm going to do 2.73, and I'm going to divide it by 2.1. I cannot have a decimal on the outside, so I'm going to move that to the right one place. That's going to give me 21. If I move it one place on the outside, I've got to do the same thing on the inside. So that's going to give me 27. Let's see if we can do this. 21 goes into 27 one time. I'm going to have to write small. I'm going to run out of space. Oop, that's a 1. That's what I get for talking and writing at the same time. That's going to give me 6 left over. I'm going to bring down the 3. And at the same time, I'm going to bring that decimal up so I don't forget it. 21 goes into 63 3 times. And I get 0 left over. So we have negative 1.3. I also want you to pause right now and go plug that back in to check it. I checked it when I worked it out beforehand. I promise it's the right answer. But go check it, okay? I want you to practice multiplying decimals right here. And always check your work before you turn your paper in. I'm just not going to do it on this video because of time and space. Okay, number 2, x divided by 1.5. To undo divide, we're going to multiply. So I multiply this side by 1.5. I'm also going to do it on this side. I'm just running out of space. I wrote it too small. So I've got x on this side equals, I know it's a negative. I can go ahead and start my box for my answer. We're going to come down here to get the answer. 48 times 1.5. Well, I'm going to ignore my decimals for right now. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4 more is 24. Put a 0 for my placeholder. I don't need that anymore. 1 times 8 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. Add that together. 720. We know it's a negative, and then we got to figure out where our decimal goes. So in the original problem, we have 1, 2 numbers behind the decimal. So I need 1, 2 numbers behind the decimal. So that's going to give me a negative 7.2. And I checked it on my paper before I did it with y'all. So I know both of these answers are correct, but I want you to go back and practice plugging them in to solve it, to check it, okay? And you should always do that at the end of your test or quiz before you turn it in. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. We would love to set up some tutoring sessions with you with our certified math teachers. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content when we post it. Have a great day.